We're getting a whole tour of Marineland right now, and it's so cool. Wow, and the sand tiger sharks.
Animal training field for his work with sea lions in the circus.
Oh my gosh. Apparently dolphins only live for like 20 years out in the wild. Their dolphins here are 50 and 60 years old.
Sure, we keep off.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, Sammy.
Oh my gosh.
Train it for a day. So use the velocity to take off a human finger. Horrible vision, but a great example.
The shark was 80 feet long.
Hollywood did a great.
Their dolphin Nellie lived to 61 years, and that she even had college degrees. Nellie also got a world record for living the longest. 61, guys. It's crazy. Wow. Wow.
Flying lobsters can live to be up to 15 years old. He'll usually molt and
Holy cow.
like I said earlier, we're constantly pumping 1.
Guys, it's Squirtle and Myrtle.
There
Oh
she
my
is.
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I can pump a lot above. And they see you just like we see them.
Get out! Unfortunately, we're not allowed to film the actual encounter with the dolphins, but I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. We're so excited!